Cali.
Tell him what you're doing.
Open my prize egg. It's a pop prize egg.
Oh. Soccer ball.
Yes, soccer ball. Yes, soccer ball.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat the chocolate.
Try a piece. So good. Is it so good? Good. Open the prize.
No, it's not one. I need to eat all.
You eat all the chocolate first?
Yeah. No, oh, I get a prize open. No.
I'm just trying to open it.
No, I'll open it.
You open it.
Oh, 1 second. 1 second.
Open it and show everybody.
1 second.
Okay.
Don't open it. Don't open it.
Why?
Don't open it.
I'll open it for you.
No. I open it.
All right, open it.
1 second. Don't touch it.
Cali, you gotta show everybody. I can't record the video forever. You gonna open it?
1 second. Open that.
I'm gonna open it anyway. There you go. What is it? Ooh. What is it? Ooh. Show everybody. Kinder Prize egg. Here, we'll open them. He looks like a little eagle or something, huh? Oh, he's a football player. What's he made out of? Huh?
I don't know.
Describe him. What colors is he?
What?
What color? What color
Red.
is he?
Red.
No. Orange and white.
And he's the one.
He's made out of plastic.
Yeah.
Say thanks for watching, everybody.
Thank you for watching, everybody.
Say have a good day.
Have a good day.